Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it is time to get loose yet again. Ladies and gentlemen, we're over 2,000 subscribers. I just came out with another awesome cornucopias video. And the reason I say awesome is because it's about a 40-minute video. So we went over the node sale for the NFT. So if you want to pick one up, definitely do so. So I'm just getting things a little bit adjusted. So I do have a standing desk here, so let's make sure that thing's out of the way. Yeah, so we are going to talk about my Ghost Chain NFTs. So I want to go over a couple things. One in particular is going to be the value of holding on and, you know, just believing in what you're doing. So that's definitely what we're going to do here right now. So if you guys want to, definitely smash a like button, subscribe, but even more importantly, please, please, please comment down below. Ask questions. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. I do take notes. I do listen. In fact, I've been doing a lot of copy content because, well, number one, they're doing well. And we called it early here, but a lot of you have been asking for more copy content, specifically Cardano, copy, meld, stuff like that. So we're going to continue to do that here on the channel. So right now we are Tuesday, December 19th, 2023. We got a lot going on. So let me share some info with you. So again, December 19th, 2023. In 2 days, we have the copy. So depending on when you're watching this, it's probably tomorrow or today. The copy centralized exchange listing on gate.io is open. So we're probably going to see a huge price difference. So I don't have my portfolio up right now, but Bitcoin 42,340, Cardano 57 cents, and Copy, because that's kind of the trendy thing right now. Copy's at 12.5 cents, almost 13. So we're probably going to see it hover then break out. Let's hope for the best, right? So let's dive into what happened recently. So I recently, personally, this is what I've been doing. I recently minted a node. So if we go here, yeah, let's go to overview, maybe marketplace. So I just did a long video. I want you guys to check it out. So go under videos. It is this video right here. Cornucopias file node, access key sale, how to mint. So I did a long video, 35 minutes-ish, how to mint your NFT. So I definitely want you to check that out. And there I teach you how to set up and get to this page and then how to go to mint. So definitely get yourself registered, get ready for it. So I've already minted mine. This is what it will look like if you did get one. So later on down the road, this is going to be an absolute flex. When you're in the hot tub and women are getting around you, pull out your phone, show them the NFT node, and game over, right? So that's all you're gonna have to do in the future. Just tell them you're running a node. You got 800,000 Copy tokens. Like, you don't even know, am I gonna live in Bali or am I gonna live in Alaska? Like, maybe I'll live in both places, right? Maybe I'll have a Lamborghini and a Ferrari. That's up to you. That's up to you. If you wanna get invested in Copy, not financial advice, but all this is up to you, okay? So recently, 40 minutes ago, it kind of sparked my interest. I want to do a little video because what I thought was potentially a mistake. So again, a lot of what we do here on the channel is crypto and NFT investing. There's risk to it. We gather as much data points as we can and we make informed decisions. Right now, all time. So let's put it this way. 2 years ago, I was down a lot in crypto. 2 years later, I kind of learned from my mistakes. I felt the pain. I am now 3x on all my crypto, which is insane because I was down a lot. But that's by learning. That's by willing to fail, right? You have to be willing to fail in the space to do well. And we haven't even gotten started, to say the least. So I picked up a bunch of Ghost Chain because they were cheap. So in fact, I will go to my wallet. Let's go to activity. So here, someone bought 100, they paid 199. So I sold, did I sell this or it's for sale? Okay, so somebody picked up these, what, 2 months ago I picked that up. So maybe I swept that as well. So an hour ago, I sold, wow, I made 800 ADA on that. Not bad. So I sold 1, 2, 3, 4 ghost chains, the blue ones. So if we take a look at this, I picked them up because they were cheap. Now, when something that has a decent look to it, where the price was up, it's an opportunity, right? Crisis is opportunity. When something's cheap, it's an opportunity for you if you can see it. So if we go to Ghost Chain, if we go to this one, and we go to price history, we'll go to all time, in trading history, I picked this up 2 months ago for 100 ADA. I just sold it for 199. I just made up for my note and more. I'm going to mint another one, and that's just from gains from this NFT. If we go to Ghost Chains, okay, pretty big project. And recently, I know why this is doing well. Just recently in their Discord, they haven't been active, but they just started commenting in the Discord. And shout out to Kevin Gardine. Thank you so much, because he's the one that brought this project to my attention. He's an artist. So I took what he said, and I've always kept this project in the back of my mind. If it ever goes on sale, I'm going to buy. These were 400 ADA at one point for the base. If you go to activity, all time, this is what I'm talking about. These were at, I mean, these were very expensive. 1,000 ADA, you're talking about $500 for an NFT. 500, and they just crashed down here. So I picked a ton up for like 100 ADA, 112 ADA. I picked up a ton of the, I picked up a ton of them for like 50 to 100 ADA. And that's because this is an opportunity, right? Crisis, an opportunity, same thing. Now, it could have not worked out, but I knew potentially people want to get this. The bull run will happen again. So somebody has been sweeping these, and I own them. I have them in my wallet because I was the one to pick them up. So if you go here, I still have these listed. This one's for what, $2.99. I have a ton for $149. Nobody's picked them up yet, but these might sell. So if you go to activity again, you look at the activity, I've been flipping these like crazy. So even this one, $2.99. I probably shouldn't have even sold it. So if I go to my NFTs, I have even more. Should I? Yeah, like I could probably sell this one. I kind of like that one. That's like the Peaky Blinders one. I'm just going to keep it. But the point is that when you see an opportunity, when something goes down, and I think I did a video on the channel. If you guys watched it, you would have done well. Something that has traction that goes down for no reason, that's an opportunity. So it's up to you to seize the moment or not. Actually, let's take a look. What are the greens selling for? Looks like the greens, 120. Mine are going to sell. Somebody picks this one up. These are next in line. And then the blues. So that's mine. Perhaps I can bring it down. Let's see what I paid for it. So if we go to trading history, I paid 100 ADA 2 months ago. And I listed it for 300. Like, you never know. You never know. You want to take advantage. The point is that the more you're in the space, the more you educate yourself, the more opportunities come your way, and you can seize the moment. I did it with SNEC. SNEC went up to 100 mil of market cap. I sold. So I got in low. I took a shot. Went up 100 mil market cap. Then it crashed. I sold somewhat at the top. I did well. When it went down, most people didn't buy more that knew about it. I'm going to show you precisely what I'm talking about. So if we go to SNEC, and by the way, if you are a SNEC holder, let me know if you did this. And by the way, this project growed. This project is doing well. So if you look on the 1 year, guys, it went up here. I sold. It crashed down here. I'm like, I'm going to pick some up now. It went up here. I sold. Bought more up here. Sold. I'm out. So these are opportunities, guys. These are opportunities. Let's take a look right now as well. I'm kind of doing this video off the cuff. I'm just kind of coming up with things because I did see this and I'm like, wait, like these sold. Like somebody swept these. And I thought maybe I would never sell them. But it's kind of nice. You never know what's going to happen. Those profits now, I have to be strategic. I'm probably going to put 800 ADA into Kopi. that's profits, man. Like that's what this space is all about. Boss cats, those are doing well, right? Those are cheap. I noticed that. Let's see what they're at. Yeah, 285. I think somebody swept them. Yeah, they were cheap a couple days ago. So anyways, that's something to think about. A real question, ask yourself, are you paying attention? Do you see opportunity? Why did something go down 50% when nothing bad happened to the project, right? Not to say that Ghost Chain's a best project. They haven't been as active, but they recently came out and they said that they were going to be active. So could be a potential opportunity as well, not financial advice. So if you guys want, depending on when you're watching this, it's probably already live, but go into the link tree. It's pinned in the comments below, also in the description. Click on the link. You can mint a Crypto Moose, Loose Moose NFT. It gives you access to potential raffles, airdrops, etc. Definitely worth it. It's only 9 ADA. Maybe you're going to have to pick one up on the aftermarket. Also, if you do not have a hardware wallet, please pick one up. Protect your assets. And we also have a free Cardano mini course. If you took that, you would have been educated to find and identify these opportunities. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.